Okay, so good morning, everyone. I want in today's class we'll continue chapter number 6. Yesterday we discussed the misunderstood words of this chapter. Now I hope the concept is clear. Different types of changes we have discussed, like slow change, fast change, chemical change, physical change, reversible change, and irreversible change. So today we are going to start with the chapter. So Anya, start reading.
Okay, ma'am. Chapter 6 Changes Around Us. What fun if you suddenly get some magical powers to change anything around you. What are the things you would want to change? We do not have magical powers, of course, but we can still change a few things around us. Perhaps many things. Can you list a few things you can change around us with no magic involved?
Okay, thank
Many
you. Okay,
changes are
shall we
okay, ma'am.
continue?
Okay, ma'am.
Many changes are taking place around us on their own. In the fields, the crops change from time to time. Sometimes leaves fall from trees, change color, and dry out. The flowers bloom and then wither away. Are any changes happening in our body? Our nails grow, our hair grows, you grow taller, and your weight increasing as you grow. Did you realize earlier that so many changes are taking place around you all the time?
Okay,
Can
children. So
you
we have
some
read. Okay, beta, thank you. So Bhuvi can continue, and after that, Ridhima, you can start reading from activity 1. Can all the changes always be reversed? So we have to see that all the changes can be reversed or not. Yes, Bhuvi, you can continue.
Activity 1. Take a balloon and blow it. Take care that does not burst. The shape of size of the balloon have changed. Figure 6.1. Now let the air escape the balloon. Activity 2. Take a piece of paper and fold it as shown in figure 6.2. Have you changed the sheet of paper into a toy aeroplane? You may have a lots of fun in flying this plane. Once you are tired of it, unfold the paper again. Activity 3. Take some dough and make a
Okay,
ball.
beta. Okay,
Le-
Bhuvi, thank
uh,
you. Next activity, Ridhima can continue. Activity 3. So children, let's first of all read this chapter. After that, we'll perform different activities. So be ready with that activities. Ridhima, continue. Activity 3. After that, Saksham will continue. Saksham, Ridhima not able to hear. Saksham, you can start better.
Activity 3. Take some duff and make a pole. Try to roll out a roti. Figure 6.3. Maybe you are not happy with its shape and wish to change it back into a bowl of duff again. Now think about the 3 changes you observe in activity 1, 2, and 3. What do they have in common? What is possible to get a balloon back to its original shape and size? Was the size the paper same as before and after making an aeroplane? Was it possible to get back the ball of duff again? What do you call
Okay,
in
beta.
each
Okay,
of
Saksham.
the
Okay, Saksham, thank you. So, in this paragraph, it is written, is it possible to get back that materials? So, yes, if we are folding the paper and making an aeroplane, yes, it is possible to get it back again, even with the dough. If we make a roll and if we make that form in the form of a chapati, that dough, again we can get it back. So, there are the changes which can be reversed. Again, we can get it back. Even in activity this 4, take one of the balloon and fill air in it. So what will happen? Yes, again the balloon will take its original shape. If we will inflate it, it will become bigger in size. And if we will take out air out of it, it will again regain its original shape. Same with activity 5. So, what is there that few of the activities can be reversed? Now, see in activity 6. Is this activity can be reversed? What is given in this activity? Here we had made the chapati. We had put that chapati on the tawa. We baked it. And now what will happen? Is it reversible? Can we reverse? Can we make a dough out of it again? So I think your answer will be no. We
No, ma'am.
can't, yes, we can't change it into the original shape. We can't change it into the dough. So few of the activities are there, maybe in your kitchen or in your toys, whatever you see. Many of the activities, many of the changes around you, few are reversible and few are
Excuse me, ma'am.
non-reversible, that are irreversible. So see in table 6.1. Here are few
Excuse
of the
me, ma'am.
yes, beta.
Ma'am, I also asked this question from my grandmother, and she told this can be reversed if we will bake it and keep it in the sun for some time, so it will dry, and if we will rub it, so it will again get
But
in
yes,
powder.
you can make it, but that will not be in the form as same as it was earlier. We can't get the exact one because this is the baked one. That's why if we forcefully do it, if we put it in the sun, dry it, then make a paste of it, again put it to the water, we can get it, but that will not the same form. Okay. Now kindly fill table 6.1. Raw egg to boiled egg. Can it be reversed? Kindly raise your hand. Can it be
No.
reversed? Yes, Kanishka. Prapti.
Yes, ma'am.
It can be reversed.
No,
Raw to
ma'am.
boiled egg.
No, ma'am.
No, it can't
No,
No,
be.
ma'am.
ma'am.
Batter to
It's
idli.
not reversed.
Batter to idli can't be reversed. बैटर से इडली तो बन जाएगी, इडली से बैटर नहीं बनेगा दोबारा से. वेट क्लोथ्स टू ड्राई क्लोथ्स. कैन इट बी रिवर्स्ड?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It
Yes, it can
can be
be.
reversed.
Yes. Wet clothes can be dry and dry clothes can be wet. Next is wooden yarn to knitted woolen yarn to knitted sweater. Is it reversed? Yes,
Yes.
Vikul?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, beta, it can be reversed because from yarn we will make the sweater, and if we unload the sweater can be again changed to the yarn. Grain to flour.
No, ma'am.
No,
Ma'am,
No,
no,
ma'am.
ma'am.
it
No.
can't be reversed. Yes.
No,
Cold
ma'am.
milk to hot milk.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
yes.
Reverse.
Because
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
if the milk will hot, again it can be changed to the cold milk. Straight string to the coil string. Yes, it can also be reversed. So, children,
Yes.
Ma'am,
here
yes.
few of the changes which are around you that can be reversed or which can't be reversed. One more is there, bud to flower. I want the answer from
No,
Ritul.
ma'am.
Bud
No.
to
No,
flower.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, because once the flower will there, we can't change into the bud. Milk to paneer.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
once the paneer will made, we can't change into the milk. Cow dung to biogas. No. Stretched rubber band to the
No, ma'am.
garment
No.
size. Yes. If you are stretching the rubber band, you can take it to the again original position can be changed. Ice cream to molten ice cream. Yes, it can be
Yes,
reversed.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If we will freeze it, so it can be.
Yes, if we'll freeze it, then we can change it. It can again changes to the original shape. So few of the changes are there around you. So many changes are there. Few changes are reversed and few changes are irreversed
Not
changes.
reversed.
Okay. Next is 6.2. Let's continue. Could there be another ways to bring a change? So let's see. One way we have read that is a reversed, and other way we have read that is a irreversible changes. So Rayan Akhtar, Azhar, start reading this activity 6.2.
Okay, ma'am. We all have seen the tools which are used to dig the soil. Figure 6.6. Have you ever seen how the iron blade in these tools is fixed to the wooden handle? The iron blade of these tools has a ring in which the wooden handle is fixed. Normally, the ring is slightly smaller in size than the wooden handle. To fix the handle, the ring is heated and it becomes slightly larger in size, expands. Now the handle easily fits into the ring. When the ring cools down, it contracts and fits tightly onto the handle.
Okay, Prapti, you can
Such
continue.
a
Okay, fine, beta, fine, Azhar.
Okay. Such a change is also used for fixing the metal rim on a wooden wheel of a cart as shown in figure 6.7. Again, the metal rim is made slightly smaller than the wood wheel. On heating, the rim expands and fits onto the wheel. Cold water is then poured over the rim which contracts and fits tightly onto the wheel.
Okay, beta, thank you. So, children, in this paragraph, we have read about contraction and expansion. Contraction takes place when the object is cooled down, and expansion takes place when the object is heated down. So, here the process of fitting a rim has been told how it is expanded and how it get contracts. Okay, so this process is taken by the expansion or by contraction. So you can see that in the figure 6.7, the wheel with metal rim fixed on it, how it can be filled. You know, metal is good conductors of heat. On heating, metals expand, and on cooling, metals contract. So in this way, we can fix the wheel with the metal rim. Okay, next, Adit Goel, continue.
Okay, ma'am. When we heat water in a pan, it begins to boil after some time. If we continue to heat further, the quantity of water in the pan begins to decrease. The water changes into its vapor. In Activity 7, Chapter 5, you have observed that water vapor gets changed into liquid water, ma'am, 2 minutes. Liquid
Water when it
water
is
when
cooled.
it cools. We all have noticed melting of ice. Ice melts when it is heated. When does it change into water?
Okay. So
Is
children,
the
okay,
possible
beta. Thank you. So we have read here that how ice changes into water and water changes into steam on melting and on evaporation. And again, steam can be changed into the water on cooling. So that is known as a process of condensation. So these all type of changes are known as physical changes. Okay. So rest part will be continued tomorrow.